Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google search, and in today's video I will show you a simple trick on how to use Google search operator to find specific PDF for any topic or whatever you are looking for in Google. Let me show you how. Like for instance, we want to make sure we come to our Google search engine right here. So what we want to do, let's say for instance we are looking for a topic. Let's say for instance we are looking for biology as an example. So we are looking for biology and we want to get a file type in PDF or for free. So next thing we want to do is to go ahead and type in file type. Then we make sure we add a colon. Then we add PDF at the last. Then we hit enter on our keyboard. In a few seconds, we're going to see so many results right here that indicate PDF. You can see right here, PDF. All the file right here, you are going to get PDF file that are related to the topic. Enter. You can come down below right here, click on next. This will take you to another page. So we still have more and more. So if you want to get anyone, then right here we have college biology. So if I click on it, it's going to automatically take me to where I can easily download the PDF file right here. So you can use this method to get any PDF format of any information right from Google or for free, just like what you see right here. So you can see all the PDF right there. So for me to download, I just need to come to the top right here. I can easily hit on download button right here. Or better still, and this is going to pump up, go ahead and click on save. Or better still, I can also, you can see the PDF has been successfully downloaded. Or better still, I can also add the PDF to my Google Drive if I don't want to download at the moment. Just like so let's go ahead and go back to search right here. Now, let's say for instance, you want to get a PDF from a particular website using this particular format right here. How do you do that? First thing first, we have to make sure we type in the name of the site right here. Let's say I want to get some PDF file from Google Drive itself. So I will go ahead and type in Google Drive, then com, file type, and PDF, and hit enter. So we're going to see every PDF file that has been uploaded to Google Drive by different persons right here. So this is another one right here, and this is another. So every file you see right here are going to be a free PDF that you can download. You can come down below right here, click on next, it take you to next page. You can use this method to get any type of file format you are looking for in Google without any stress. Once you find out the file, go ahead and download it, and you are. Let's, for instance, we want to get on this particular one right here. Click on it, and it's going to automatically take us to the Drive PDF right here. So you can see everything about the file right here. So you want to download it, go ahead and hit on download, and you are good to go. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial about how best to search on Google, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye, friends.